Welcome to today's news. Odisha Police Staff Selection Board (SSB) has released the answer key for the Odisha Police Sepoy Constable Recruitment Examination 2024. Candidates who have appeared in the computer-based recruitment examination can download the answer key from odishapolice.gov.in. Candidates can submit objections against the provisional answer key up to December 30, 2024 along with supportive documents. They have to submit a fee of Rs 250 per question along with the objection. If an objection is found valid, the fee will be refunded after the deduction of bank charges.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.